Today, the seventh day, Durga Ma is called Kalaratri. Kalaratri is a form of Kali. Kali is one who transforms, who slays the ignorance, the duality, and make you realize the oneness of consciousness. You will see Kali with the big tongue protruding outside and very ferocious, and it's a symbol. When the tongue is out, no words can come. It's beyond words, beyond thoughts even. It's a transcendental power of consciousness. That's what Kalaratri represents. The mother in this form, though appears outside ferocious, but inside she is the most beautiful, most adorable energy that brings oneness of consciousness, that transforms life from living in a fragmented mindset to unity with the consciousness, realizing that there is non-dual aspect of our own Chit Shakti consciousness. In fact, Kali and Krishna are same. So it is that inside Krishna there is Kali and inside Kali there is Krishna. So Kali and Krishna and Kalaratri is that night, the deep dark night which takes you away from all fear. Fear is due to duality. When duality is gone, there is no fear. Let us sit comfortably and meditate on this non-dual consciousness, slaying all that is duality, all that concepts, all those things that keeps us separate, keeps us in the relative, keeps us in the mundane. So when the mundane goes, then you see the subtle, the true self. No? If you are just thinking only on the different ornaments of gold, then that is being in duality. But taking your mind away from, oh, this is ring and this is bangle, this is earring and this is a chain, taking your attention from that duality and just seeing it is all just gold. That is like coming to the basics, the quantum physics from the classical chemistry. Right? From the periodic table of differences, you go to quantum, where you see everything is just wave function. And destroying the duality and making you realize the oneness of consciousness is what Kali Ma's energy is, what Kali represents. So let us sit comfortably, our body relaxed. Keep your eyes open, but keep it steady. Just fix it at 30 degrees in front of you. Keep your gaze at 30 degrees. Your spine erect, shoulders relaxed. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रखें, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें. अपनी दृष्टि को 30 डिग्री पर टिका के रखें. अपने शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाए. इस वक्त आप बैठे हो और स्थिर बैठे हो. और क्या हो रहा है? सांस चल रही है भीतर, दिल का धड़कन चल रहा है. और कहीं कहीं शरीर में कुछ तनाव भी महसूस हो रहा होगा. यदि होता है उस पर भी गौर करें. और कहीं संवेदना भी उठ रही है, कभी सुखद कभी असुखद. और इन सब को देखते जाएं तटस्थ होकर के. Keeping your gaze at 30 degrees, just notice what is happening right this moment. Your body is still and the breathing is happening. Your heart is beating. Feel your blood pressure and other activities in the body. Some sensations here and there in the body, some pleasant, some unpleasant sensation. Just let it be. Be still and just be. Let all those sensations be. Keep your gaze fixed, unmindful of all the sensation, pleasant, unpleasant, whatever is happening right this moment. Now become aware of 10 feet of distance all around you. It's a little over 3 meters of space all around you. Feel the air in those space all around the body. 3 meters of space all around the body. 10 फुट दूरी तक शरीर के चारों ओर जो वायुमंडल है इसके प्रति सजग हो जाओ. अधिक प्रयत्न नहीं करना. आंखों को खुले रहने दे. चारों ओर की वायुमंडल के प्रति सजग हो जाए. इस वक्त शरीर स्थिर है. जैसे जैसे आपकी चेतना विकसित होने लगता है, शरीर की संवेदनाएं कम महसूस होने लगेंगे. जैसे जैसे हम अपने मन को और फैलाते हैं चारों ओर. As your attention expands, unmindful of the sensation in the body, you will find the difference. Keep expanding your attention all around the body and just let go. Changes are happening in the body constantly. Now let it be. Unmindful of these sensations and changes, let us keep expanding. Expand our awareness even more to the walls and to the room or beyond that even. Without much effort. शरीर की संवेदनाओं को परवाह न करते हुए, क्योंकि यहाँ तो बदलता रहता, शरीर में कुछ ना कुछ होता ही रहेगा. परवाह न करके अपनी चेतना को और विकसित करते जाएं. कमरे के दीवार और उसके बाहर भी अपनी चेतना को लेते जाएं. अधिक प्रयत्न न करें, एक भोले भाव ही करें, ज़्यादा चेष्टा न करना। अब आंखें धीरे से बंद कर लें। और यह रात्रि है, इसको पूर्ण रूप से स्वीकार करें। जो अंधेरा है उस अंधेरे के भीतर प्रवेश कर जाए, छलांग लगा लें। अगाध अनंत घोर अंधेरा है, उसमें आप समा जाओ, उसके गोद में चले जाए। काल रात्रि की गोद में हम जा रहे हैं और वही है चारों ओर। अभय है पूरा, निडर है, विश्राम है, वही रात्रि। You may close your eyes and become aware of the vast space, the dark space. Just you jump into this endless, bottomless, dark place. The black hole. It is secure and restful and very calming. The night brings relief from all activity and takes you in its lap and gives you deep rest. Accept this deep darkness and be in it, dissolve in it. The night is embracing you in her arms, giving you deep rest. Let go into this deep, dark night. It is soothing, comforting, and relaxing. It's a night that gives you comfort away from all the dualities. Beyond knowledge and beyond ignorance, the mother of night takes you in her arms and gives you the deep solace and rest. Repose in the dark space. Let go of all your efforts. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे, काल रात्रि में विश्राम करें। भावपूर्ण विश्रांति ध्यान। Repose with a sense of gratitude. Repose with love right now, without much effort. Repose with prayerfulness to the Mother. जयन्ती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते स्वाहा स्वधा नमोस्तुते। जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डे जय भूतार्त्रिहासिनी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते। जय त्वं देवी चामुण्डी जय भूतार्त्रिहारिणी जय भूतार्तिहारिणी जय सर्वगते देवी जय सर्वगते देवी कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते। कालरात्रि नमोस्तुते। Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. And with a big smile, you may open your eyes